Linda wanted to come for a walk in the rain. It's pouring rain now. We're just...
Well, hello everyone and welcome to Elliott Heads. We've just spent 5 nights here at Elliott Heads in the beautiful Bundaberg Region. What a beautiful place we've enjoyed, soaking up the sun, the sand in this beautiful, picturesque, natural environment. So is Elliott Heads a beautiful place to stay in the Wide Bay region? Come along, watch the video and you decide. We've got our top 5 reasons to come to Elliott Heads coming right up.
One of the things that Linda and I really liked about staying here at Elliott Heads is just the beautiful beach location that it has. Check out this for a beach. It is so huge. It's like the beach here just goes on forever. There's also a number of parks around as well where the kids can just come out and just have a great time hanging out. They've got this awesome skate park as well. We saw kids out here yesterday having an amazing time showing their skills. The Caravan Park is located just near the beach. It's an easy walk, maybe a minute's walk to the beach from the park. It's a beautifully maintained park. Most of the sites are only grass though. We were fortunate that we did have a concrete slab for our site. The amenities block is kept beautifully clean, it's modern, has a nice modern camp kitchen as well as a dump point. It's also nice and handy to the river frontage as well. If you're wanting to go for a walk down to the river, it's nice and easy to get to. Might be a 5-minute walk. It's only a couple of minutes walk to the skate park and also to the local cafe.
We've been having a wonderful time up here at Elliott Heads, and you can probably see in the background, it's not exactly the best weather for the beach at the moment. And so what does Linda say?
Come for a beach walk, she says.
Come for a beach walk? Do I look like I'm dressed to go walking in the rain? Well, Linda wanted to come for a walk in the rain. It's pouring rain now. We're just standing here in an umbrella. We've still got like a kilometre to walk along the beach. We're seeing people out fishing, and oh my gosh, we wanted to come for a walk down to see the rock pools. But I tell you what, it's fine and sunny tomorrow. I'll send the drone up. We'll have a look at the rock pools. But at the moment, the water's just, they're pooling all around us.
Anyone can go for a walk on the beach in the sun.
That's true, but we're standing here in the pouring rain. Oh my gosh. Hashtag drowning in rain. So Linda and I have walked out to the rock pools here at Elliott Heads, and it is really pretty, but boy, the rocks are certainly slippery. You've got to watch yourself with some of the oyster shells on them as well, but it is so pretty. Yeah, I've seen people actually come out here to the rock pools and they'll actually go swimming here as well.
The part of Elliott Heads that I'm standing on at the moment is known as Submarine Lookout. And it's called Submarine Lookout for a very good reason. This was a coastal observation post during the Second World War where members of the Volunteer Defence Corps would come and man the observation post, and we would be staring out to sea, making sure that our shores were safe and just keeping an eye on enemy ship activity that could be happening off our coast. And this would have been the view that greeted those people manning the observation post as they stared out to sea.
Well, that's pretty much wraps it up from us here at Elliott Heads. We've had a great 4 or 5 nights here, and we've had some wet weather, but we didn't let that interfere with the fun that we were having here. We went out walking in the rain. If you're looking for a really nice spot to come, if you're wanting to have a nice day out at the beach, if you're wanting to get involved in water sports like surfing or windsurfing, getting out fishing. We saw people fishing in the rain, reeling fish in yesterday. Elliott Heads is such a beautiful location to come for that escape. So if you've enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe, and check out our other videos coming down the track.